Hello, our lovely learners! How do we talk about the past in English? How can we form sentences? If you don't know the answer or would like a bit more help, this video is for you. After watching this video, as a bonus, to help you, we have a free grammar quiz. Let's dive in and get started. Today, we are going to explain about past tense in English language. Let me introduce the tense called past simple. What is it? When we talk about the past which is finished, actions that are completed in the past, we use this tense. Some words can help us to indicate the time when our action happened. For example, yesterday, last month, last year, 3 days ago, in 2022. There are two types of verbs in English, regular and irregular. Most of the verbs are regular, and to build a sentence in past simple, we add the ending ed to the regular verb. But irregular verbs don't follow this rule. We can't simply add ed to them to form a positive sentence. Unfortunately, for this form of verbs, you need to remember them. These are examples of regular verbs. I play, I say in present tense, but I played, I say in the past. I played yesterday. Here I added ed to the verb play. I move, I say in the present tense, but I moved, I say in the past. I moved 3 days ago. I decide, I say in the present tense. But I decided, I say in the past. I decided yesterday. I paint, I say in present tense. But I painted, I say in the past. I painted last month. As you can see, in the last two examples, I pronounced painted, decided. So here is the rule of regular verbs. When we form past simple and our verb is ending t or d, ending ed is added on and pronounced. Please compare. Cook, cooked. Move, moved. Decide, decided. Paint, painted. Irregular verbs don't follow this rule. We can't simply add ed on to the end of them to form a positive sentence. For this form of verbs, you need to remember them. Here are some examples of irregular verbs. I drive, I say in present tense, but I drove, I say in the past. I drove yesterday. I sleep, I say in the present tense, but I slept, I say in the past. I slept yesterday. As you can see, irregular forms are different and we need to remember them. But I have good news for you. Negative and question sentences are formed without the difference whether regular or irregular verbs. Let me show how to build negative and question sentences. And here comes our helper, the auxiliary verb did. Did is used only in negative and question sentences. In negative sentences, I put did and add not, and after that I add the main verb without the ending ed. I did not cook yesterday. She did not paint last month. He did not drive 3 days ago. It is common to use the short version of did not, which is didn't. I didn't cook yesterday. She didn't paint last month. He didn't drive 3 days ago. He didn't shows past tense, and in a negative sentence we don't add the ending ed to the main verb. In question sentences, I put did before the subject, and after that I add the main verb without the ending ed. For example, did you cook yesterday? Did she call last month? Here did shows past tense and we don't add the ending ed to the main verb. And to answer these questions, I reply, yes, I did. No, I didn't. Did he cook yesterday? No, he didn't. Did he wait at home? Yes, he did. When we use question words, where, when, why, who, which, how, what, to get more information, we put them on the first position. After that, we put did, the subject, then the main verb. When did he call yesterday? And my answer, if it is a positive one, he called at 4 p.m. And my answer is, it is a negative one. He didn't call yesterday. Now, for the free grammar quiz, below in this video description, there is a link to follow. Please use this link to do the grammar quiz and check for yourself if you understand the rule correctly. Thank you for watching today, and if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe and like, as it is much appreciated. Thank you and goodbye.